and let me draw the ring over here. You got a ring. From the ring, where exactly the electric field is maximum at a point on its axis? An axial line is a line that passes through the center of the circle here. This is what the axis of this circle. This ring is given a charge q. The radius of the ring is r, and the distance at a point on this axis, suppose this is the axis and this is the center, and here at this point the point P is at a distance x from the center O. Then if this distance is x, what is the electric field? The electric field due to this ring of charge q at this point P at a distance x from the center, E equal to kq by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into x. You would like to find out where, at what point, so that for what value of x it is going to be maximum. Since we are going to find out at what value of x it is going to be maximum, at when x, the electric field E is maximum, at that point, that is x, at that value of x, the value dE by dx has got to be 0. We have discussed extensively, like why it is 0 like that. The slope is 0 at the maxima and minima, and you know that. So dE by dx, which has to be 0. That means d by dx of the electric field k q x by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 has to be 0. If you set is equal to 0, then when the dE by dx is 0, if you set that equal to 0, you will get a value for x. So for that value x, if you substitute it back in this equation, that is equal to 0. So that's what the thing is, and if you substitute in this, that will give you the maximum value of E. Then in such case what you can do, see, two things are there. One is to find the value of x for which E is maximum. Then what is the maximum value of E? That means you find x and substitute the value of x over here, you will find the maximum value of E. Both we are going to find in this equation. So here you see in the numerator also the variable x is coming, in the denominator also. So you just got to differentiate with respect to this formula, d by dx of u by v, where u, v both are like differentiables with respect to x. Then in such case the formula says that vu dash minus uv dash by v square, and that means here it is equal to 0, not everywhere, and v is the denominator. So r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 into u dash means d by dx of k q x, because this is u and this is v, and minus you keep k q x as it is, but d by dx of v is actually r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 whole divided by r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 equal to 0. When you cross multiply this over here, that gets 0. Then the numerator becomes r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 d by dx of kqx. Kq is constant, we can take it out, and d by dx of x is 1 minus kqx. d by dx of r square plus x square is like 3 by 2. You have to bring the nx power n minus 1. So 3 by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 into d by dx of r square plus x square. Because if it were just x cube, so 3x square, with that it is over. Because r square plus x square has got another function that can be differentiable, so we are doing that, which is equal to 0. If you kq is here in both the terms, and r square plus x square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 is actually 3 by 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2. So here it is 3 by 2. So that means 1.5 times of this. So if you take r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2, in the 3 by 2 there are 3 1 by 2s are there, so remaining it will be like r square plus x square. So r square plus x square and minus and kq, so we are taking the kq also out from here, so minus 3 by 2 into r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2 is taken out. This 3 by 2 can be written as actually 1 plus 1 by 2, which is 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 is actually 1 plus 1 by 2. That is why when you take 1 by 2 out, this can be written as r square plus x square into r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2. So when you take r square plus x square whole power 1 by 2, remaining r square plus 1 x square will be there, into d by dx of r square plus x square is 2x. So this has got to be, there is x over here, so x into 3 by 2 into r square plus x square is 2x, because r square, d by dx of r square is 0, d by dx of x square is 2x. So this has got to be 0. When you bring this to the other side, 0 by anything is again 0. So we will be left with r square plus x square, this 2 and 2 will be cancelled, x into x square, so minus 3x square is equal to 0. X square minus 3x square is minus 2x square. When that goes to the other side, 2x square equal to r square. From this, x square is equal to r square by 2, then x is equal to plus or minus r by root 2, because r by root 2 plus r by root 2 or minus r by root 2, both will give you the maximum value.